Hey guys, welcome to Beef and Barrel. I'm Glenn.
And I'm James.
And today we're going to make the beesting.
The sweetest and spiciest burger I think we've ever made.
Let's get to cooking. So for the beesting, we're going to run through the ingredients. We have 2080 mince, we have honey, we have a chili, we have pepper cheese, cheddar, we have a brioche bun, lovely seeded brioche bun, jalapenos, salt and pepper, and that's going to be it. There's not much more to say. Right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 patties. I'm going to make them quite thin, sort of almost like a smash, but with a little bit more consistency. So get yourself a nice little ball, one ball. Want them roughly the same sort of size because they're going to go on top of each other. You want them to fit, look nice, a presentation. So yeah, squash them down. Nice rotating. If you can see what I'm doing, I'm leaving nice little air pockets in, just so the flame can lick through it, render down that fat, and just make it a lovely, juicy burger. How's that looking, James?
Yeah,
Is that looking
alright.
good to you?
It's not too bad. They're not supposed to be neat, these type of burgers, are they? They're supposed to be...
No, it's about having a bit of fun. You know, squish it together.
You're
Nice
not...
cold mince in your hand.
You're kind of not going for the
What more are you
aesthetic,
gonna ask for?
perfect round burger sort of shape. It's got to be just slightly off.
Similar size, and we're ready to cook. Right, so we've had our coals on quite a while. I've got a bit of oak in there to give some flavour, give some flame. Come in, James. You're going to want to see this and hear it. There's one on. We're going to put it directly over. We're just going to let them sizzle away. Right, so we're going to put the bun on, give that a little toast up. Just put them on there while we're chopping the chili. See, what we're going to do is we're going to put the chili on top of the cheese, just to give it that sting that we're looking for. After all, this is the beesting. Not going to put much on it. Don't want to overpower the chili. Although that honey, that beautiful honey we've got, is really going to mellow it out.
So the honey is basically where the whole bee is from, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because Halsey bees make honey,
Yeah.
nice sweet
That's
and
why we
chilli
call it
flavour.
beesting. Sting comes from the chili, the bee comes from the honey. Sweet and spicy. Again. Right.
Burger's
Have a look at
looking
them.
good. Lovely. Look at them scorch marks. Oh mate, look at them.
Don't forget to season. Nice bit of salt and pepper. See, these will get another flip, and we'll season the other side. So we're going to take them buns off.
Oh, look
Nice
at
little
that.
scorch marks.
Beautiful. Perfect.
Keep them cooking for a little while, and a couple more minutes, and it's going to be ready to build. Right, I think it is time for the cheese and chilies.
Oh, I think so.
How are they doing? Oh wow, they're looking good.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So what we're going to do here, Glenn?
So we're just going to sprinkle a few chilies just on top. We don't want too much. We don't want a fire mouth, right? But we just want that little bit And then we're going to place these beautiful
Pepper cheddar.
pepper cheddar. Look at that. Right?
Yep.
We're going to close the lid. While we're doing that, we're going to dress our burgers. Or dress the buns, at least. Right. It's going to have a nice layer on top and bottom of the buns. Get some of that juice on there. So you're probably wondering why there's no sauce. But the honey is the sauce in this phenomenal burger. One more for luck, eh? James, are you going to handle that? We've got chilies upon chilies.
Yep.
Right, so I think it's time to take these burgers off. Let's have a little look. Woo!
Wow, look at the
That is melting
just
nicely.
look at the cheese.
Right, let's build this. Let's get that bigger patty off first. On top of them jalapenos. Oh, sorry, jalapenos. On top of the jalapenos, but those who don't speak Mexican, jalapenos. Get that ready.
Yep.
What we're going to do is get this honey. Get this honey drizzler. I'm just going to dress that nicely in this sweet, sweet honey. Make that drip down there, look at that. Right. Get this second one on. I'm telling you, James, this is going to be...
It does look amazing.
Second lot of honey. It's just going to bring that sweetness to like sort of complement that chili. The heat and the sweet.
Look at that.
No! I lost some!
What happened, Glenn?
Now look at that. Wow.
Perfect. Look at that. Right, should we go and cut this burger?
Let's go cut it. So we've brought it over to the chopping block. Let's get this bad boy open and see what it's talking about. Wow, look at that.
Look at that.
Can't wait to try it. So James, this has been a while since we last had this.
Yeah, it's probably been at least a year.
Was it pre-COVID or?
It's got to be pre-COVID.
It was pre-COVID.
100% pre-COVID, yeah.
Yeah. So.
I forgot how messy this burger is. I'm not gonna lie.
Right, yeah. Disclaimer: it's messy. Obviously, where you've got honey, there's going to be stickiness.
Oh my god!
You've got a nice juicy burger. Wow.
It's just so like I think it's gonna blow my head off a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, fingers crossed. Eh?
Fingers, yeah.
It's
I'm
the beef
excited.
thing.
I'm hungry now.
Should we get into it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh my god, it's just so soggy at the bottom.
Yeah, we tried
oh
to
my god!
get. Oh,
look,
wow, look at that! Look at that!
it's already right.
Hey, I wish
cheers.
you luck. Wow. Is it what you remembered?
Yeah, but harder to eat than I remembered.
I think we had thinner patties last time.
Yeah.
I think definitely we need to squash them down more. But wow. Oh, I'm getting that fire from the chilies. Really warming up my mouth.
I really like the
Nicely.
honey.
It's not. My mouth's on fire.
Back of my throat it is.
Okay,
my lips,
I'm not
not my
getting it.
lips.
I'm not getting it back there.
Not my lips.
It's the front of my mouth that's suffering a little bit. But Wow.
Yeah, no, yeah, it's the back of my throat, not
It
the
is.
front.
It is messy, but this burger is definitely. You can have it with one patty, right?
It's
Just
one of my
make sure you
favourites.
It's 100% my favourite burger.
Is it?
100%. Like, it's just so sweet and fiery. Like, what better two things? If you like spice, that is. If you don't like spice, just go with the jalapenos. Don't add the red chili.
No, I've got it all
Because that's
dripping down
probably
my
where
head.
the fire is.
Oh, honey on me. Like Winnie the Pooh here. Ooh, honey.
Rumbly
Honey,
in my tumbly.
rumbly down my fingers.
Ooh, piglet. Wow. No, this.
Look at my hand. Look.
You look how. If you can see from there, the juice is coming off that.
Oh my
It's
god, look, I'm
unreal.
dropping it. Dropping it.
It's a messy burger. Get over
Ah!
it. Wow. Then
Look.
you got all that leftovers for you.
And this, look. This is just pure
Dipping sauce.
honey. This is honey. Honey on the board.
If you just like honey a tiny little bit, or you love it, this is the burger for you.
Honey,
It's so sweet.
spice,
It's so hot.
beef, chili.
What more could you want? What more could you want? Wow, you've finished yours.
I'm done. I'm done.
I could eat this over and over.
Oh
It's
mate.
so good. Unreal.
If you haven't had this, which I'm pretty sure you haven't, because not a lot of people would think putting honey, jalapenos, and chili together.
I want to put it out there. I feel like I invented this a little bit. Because I've never seen it before in my life. I've not seen a burger with honey and jalapenos.
I will give you this one. Yeah.
Yeah, there may be, but I've never seen it. So it is, for me,
Oh, look at this. Look, honey, look.
my idea.
It is just probably not the most healthiest of burgers.
If you're on a calorie deficit,
Yeah. I just,
don't
it's
eat
just,
for a week. But
oh my
you
god.
enjoy this.
Oh. See you next time.
Subscribe.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that notification bell for more videos like this. Only one thing left to say, Yaki da.